y'all, I am looking extra busted. So Creme of Nature has a new collection with 50 million products in it. You see this box though? Like, sis, mad products. Here is a preview of what is inside. So this Pure Honey line is meant specifically for dry, dehydrated hair, which if this is not the epitome of my hair right now, then I don't know what is. So Creme of Nature, I think historically has made, in my opinion, really good styling products, but not so great moisturizing products. So I am going to be really critical of the moisturizing properties of this line. Let's see what's inside. The whole box, the PR package was super cute. It had actual bottle of honey, it had some wine, it had a tote bag. So there are 8 products in the entire line. First off, we have the Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo, Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner, Hair Mask, Leave-In Conditioner, Not Away Leave-In Detangler, Twisting Cream. Creme of Nature stays putting an edge control in all of their lines. And last but not least, Texturizing Curl Setting Lotion. There are only 2 styling products, so this is for twist outs and braid outs and whatnot, and then this is for curly sets, roller sets, and etc. So good sign already that there are more moisturizing, there are styling products. Other things to note, the difference between the leave-in conditioner and the, was that a shot? Okay. On the bottles, it says that the detangler is for thick, coarse curls. So obviously that's what I'm about to be using. Also want to mention this packaging, which is new and different for Creme of Nature, which I think is awesome. Have you ever heard of Maui Moisture? This is like the similar squarish bottle. I like it. They take up less space. This is more efficient if you are storing products on a shelf like I am storing all of those products over there. I am going to go and wash my hair. Yo, don't make fun of my struggling fiddle leaf plant. I will be giving away the products that I do like from the line to a lucky subscriber. So keep on watching and I will include the giveaway info at the end of the video. So some bad news. I am already disappointed because the Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo contains parabens. I do not use parabens in my hair or skin, so not going to be using that. And now I gotta look at every product. 3 of the products from the line I cannot use: the shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, and the edge control, because they contain parabens. So I have nothing to wash my hair with. Already starting off on an interesting note. All right, for real, about to go do my hair now, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm back. It is the next day. So before I give you my full thoughts on the line, I did want to say that I wish the line had an oil. I prefer to take down my twists with like a little bit of oil or like a shine spray on my hands. I just feel like I'm less likely to like snag and tear at my hair. Maybe it's all mental and like not even real, but I do wish that this line had an oil instead of some other products that it has that are not really worthwhile. But I'll get to those in a little bit. Let me first take my hair down. So I am back, taking my hair down. I love how it looks, I will say that. It is nice and fluffy, it's well hydrated, it is soft. The Creme of Nature Pure Honey products that I did use on my hair did remedy my dry and dehydrated hair. So as I said earlier, I didn't use the shampoo because it had parabens in it. So I just shampooed with Mielle Organic shampoo. Then I used the hair mask. I actually really liked the hair mask. It coated my hair really well. So I drenched my hair with that and then put a plastic cap on. And then a trick that I like to do to like cheat going under the dryer is that I'll just run really hot water over the plastic cap to kind of like heat my hair. So it was on for about 5 minutes. When I started to rinse it out, my hair was soft, it was smooth. I was able to start detangling. So I was kind of feeling it. I was like, all right, Creme of Nature, I see you. And then I made a huge mistake, which was to use the Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner, which is neither moisturizing nor a conditioner. So I rinsed the mask out and then I put the conditioner on my hair and immediately regretted not fully detangling my hair with the mask in it, because this conditioner had very little slip. It just really sat on top of my hair. My hair was really difficult to detangle. I really, really wish I had just left the hair mask in my hair and didn't use the conditioner. Now moving on to styling. Again, I couldn't use the leave-in detangler because it had parabens. So the two styling things that I used were the Not Away detangler and the Moisture Whip twisting cream. I decided to blow dry my hair, but it's really like a tension blowout. You know, nothing's like serious. Wasn't trying to get it silky straight. And the detangler did help detangle my hair. So even though I was kind of cheating by stretching it out with heat, I do feel like the detangler is worthwhile and it's a pretty good product. I would definitely say that this is the best detangling product that Creme of Nature has made. Because it was blow dried, I didn't use a ton of the twisting cream. I just wanted enough to kind of like set my hair in a style. And the twisting cream was pretty okay. It had a pretty good consistency. My hair now is still soft, so it's good that it's not crunchy. It doesn't feel dry or anything like that. It has a lot of movement and a lot of bounce, which is always good. It's hard for me to say whether that was 100% the twisting cream or the fact that I blow dried my hair before doing the Bantu knots. I've achieved like kind of like this look before from doing a blowout Bantu knot out, so I can't really like say it was 100% the twisting cream. In general, Creme of Nature styling products are pretty good, so if you're looking for like another one, you know, then I would pick this up. If I had to recommend only one thing from this line, it would be the hair mask. The hair mask was absolutely amazing. It was the best deep conditioner that Creme of Nature has made. It was one of the best deep conditioners that I've used on my hair. After the hair mask, the next thing I would recommend is the leave-in detangler. Probably like just for the bottle. The bottle is really, really cute and different, and it is the best detangler and leave-in product that Creme of Nature has made, at least for my own hair. If you are looking for a new twisting product, the twisting cream works pretty well, but a lot of other twisting products also work just as fine. What I would not recommend whatsoever are the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in spray, and the edge control, because 3 out of 4 of them have parabens and the conditioner is just absolute garbage. It just, I was so mad at how it made my hair feel because my hair felt so good after using the mask and the conditioner like undid it all, so I was so pissed. I have no thoughts on the setting lotion because I did not use it. So those are my honest thoughts on Creme of Nature's Pure Honey line. Most of it is not worth your time, but the hair mask is definitely worth your time. I will leave the link to where you can find the hair mask down below. I mean, I'm curious to see what other people think of the line, but for me, the most exciting thing was the packaging, and the second most exciting thing was the hair mask. I'm sorry, I feel like Creme of Nature is not gonna send me any more PR packages after this, but I gotta be honest, I gotta tell the truth. That's super important to my brand and to who I am as a person, as a child of God, so that's that. Hope to see y'all in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you do and give this video a thumbs up. See y'all in the next one. Bye.